Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabutinkufoodies. Today we'll be making a baked carrot oatmeal. This oatmeal is so flavorful, super yummy. It's packed with the goodness of carrots, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, and of course oats. It's a great way to add variety in your breakfast and to make your regular porridge more interesting and delicious. So if you are new here, make sure to like and subscribe and let's get started.
Into a bowl, we'll add 2 tablespoons unsweetened peanut butter. You can replace it with any nut or seed butter of your choice. Now we'll add 2 tablespoons pure maple syrup or honey. One-fourth teaspoon ginger powder. Half teaspoon cinnamon powder. And we'll give it a good mix. Now we'll add 1 cup oat flour, which is super easy to make. All you need to do is grind some oats in your blender to make a fine powder. We'll also add 2 tablespoons flaxseed powder. Just like the oat flour, grind some flax seeds as well into a fine powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt. And to make it even more flavorful, we'll add some desiccated coconut. We'll also add half cup grated carrot, half teaspoon baking powder, and 1 cup milk of your choice. I'm adding almond milk here. Using a spoon, give it a good mix. And add in 3 tablespoons raisins, and 2 tablespoons mixed seeds. Mix it one more time. And transfer the batter in a parchment paper lined baking pan. Spread it evenly into the pan. And now we'll top it up with some more mixed seeds. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 30 minutes. And it's ready. Let it cool for around 10 to 15 minutes. You can enjoy this baked oatmeal as is or top it up with your choice of fruits. And it's ready to enjoy. It's warm, delicious, and so comforting with a cup of chai or coffee.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So do try this carrot oatmeal and let me know in the comment section. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. For more recipes, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.